Yo, what's up, YouTube?
Yo.
Bro.
5 out of 5.
Jordan's
25. Top of the morning. We're on the way to pick up.
Top of the morning. Top of the morning.
Top of the morning. Top of the morning. Top of the morning. Top of the morning. Top of the morning.
Guys, hot touring in the back fucking seat, bro. We're on the way to pick up a Maxima. What you guys are gonna see in this video. You know, we gotta have good energy. It's 5:30 in the freaking morning.
Listen, bro.
You
yeah, because we waited on your stupid ass.
We do a fucking pedicure, wake up.
Bro, are you serious?
Bro, I wanted to take a shit, bro. I couldn't, bro.
Yo, give it.
I taste fucking Flanagan chicken wings. Shit tastes so nasty, bro.
Hey,
Alright, we about to head there. I'll pick this. Yo, you're gonna get me copyrighted, bro. Shut that shit off. What's up, YouTube? You already know what it is.
Ya tú sabes. Hey. You already know, Bobby. It's the morning, man. We're going to Palm Bay, Florida to get a Maxima, man. Let's go.
We're in Palm Bay.
We're going to Palm Coast.
We're going to Palm Coast. We're in the Palm Bay right now, man. Let me tell you something. I fucking chicken, yo. I fucking chicken.
Alright, guys, so everyone's a little more awake now. It's about 7 o'clock. And I don't know where. I shut the GPS off. We're exit 191 and we're getting off at 280 something, so 289. So I got a good amount. Good little 100 miles left. So we're gonna be there in a little bit. I don't want to chat too much before we pick up the car because this video would be way too long. So
you can't record and drive.
Bro, it's no,
I care about you.
It's no texting and driving. No one said no recording and driving.
Let me see.
Alright.
Yeah, hit the cut, bro. Oh shit, we already cut over.
Hey, you already know? Oh my God, look at the headlight. Look at the headlight.
Look at this toolbox.
Yo, Papi, give me.
This toolbox.
The eBay special, Papi. The headlight no fit right, Papi. Papi.
Are you Haitian?
The headlight no fit, Papi. Yo, that shit's going to fly at me, bro.
Fucking tools are flying out.
Yo, the sticker's nice though. Greeting and citations.
Greeting and citations, Mrs. Little Fine Shit.
Alright, guys. We picked up the car. This guy just keeps asking us for money. I don't know what he's doing here. Say what's up to the vlog, bro.
What's up?
What's up? What's fucking going on, guys? Alright, here's Ross is in the car, bro. Look at him. Like, you need to come fucking give him a view of your fucking new whip, bro.
What do you want me to say?
Introduce yourself.
We'll do it when we get home.
No, right here, bro. The energy, bro.
Introduce myself?
Are you scared of the camera?
How's it going? I want to.
How's it going? Your name's Ross. Let's go.
My name is Ross.
No one's taking your seat, bro. Come on.
Somebody's gonna take my seat.
Then you beat him up and take it back. You're a big, strong guy. I need someone to come give a walk around on the car, bro.
Oh my God, give me the camera, nigga. Give me the camera.
You give me the camera.
I gotta hold it. You gotta direct.
I'm the channel. You're not the channel.
Alright, let's go.
Like, let's be honest here. People come to see me.
Alright.
Fuck. Alright. So here we have a 2003 Nissan Maxima.
Get out of here! This is my 2003 Maxima.
Woo-woo? Woo-woo?
So don't make fun of me. You ask me to do it, then you make fun of me.
Cracker, head woo. That's good cut.
Yeah, good talk.
Some dude took his
Factory pinstripe, factory manual. As you can see, if Joey wants to give you a view inside the car.
No. Look at the pedals. Go show the pedals. Go show the pedals.
Limited flip pedal. Yeah.
Pretty clean tail lights.
Spell that. What does that say?
Maxima.
There you go. You thought it was a trick question? That needs a good little wash. It's clean now. They're the second.
I mean, listen, guys.
It's been in their.
You're never gonna get a perfect car at 21 years old. So, there's always gonna be something
what's
wrong
not perfect
with
about the car?
I mean, it's got its little, like, they didn't give it a good bath.
Bro,
but that's what makes the car the car.
Yo,
are you not grateful for the things that you have at 21 years of age?
Dude.
You know, some people
where's
live
the
in
Hellcat
Africa.
key, bro?
Some people don't have
Shut
water.
that shit up.
Okay?
Shut that shit
Like,
up.
honestly, that's not cool,
Where's
bro.
the Hellcat key?
You don't even know where it is.
Spare change? Please?
Bro, what's with these guys asking for money around here?
Please?
Beat it!
The car comes with 6 keys from the factory.
We had a famous Buc-ee's. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Got the posters on the wheel.
Tyler, best one we've seen all day.
No. Yeah.
Good old rig. Drove 3 hours as you guys saw. Gotta see the Hellcat key.
Here we have the keys. And it comes with the, in case you guys didn't know, 03, only year that they did, what do you like to call a red eye key for the Maxima. Instead of coming with 157 horsepower, it comes with 158. Here it is right here.
Cinematic clip of the key.
You want to tell them actually what this is?
That's what it is.
No, seriously, come on.
That's what it is.
Motherfuckers are on your channel trying to learn about Maximas. So tell them what this is. Tyler, tell them what it is.
Alright, it's a valet key. So this is a valet key. It's rare because normally by the time you get this, it's been through about 8 owners, 4 wrecks, and a couple insurance yards. I said normally when they get them. So you normally just get this guy right here, the one black key, all by itself.
Broken, little chip.
Broken, no chips. But he got 3 of them, 2 key fobs. But this one right here, man,
I
this
told the
gold.
guy if he doesn't have the red key, no deal. I'll unstrap it and we'll just fucking let it roll off the trailer.
Yeah, so we're about to get back to our.
Needs a new motor, unfortunately, but it's not a big deal. Factory manual, which I was willing to take. Because if you've been watching the channel,
Hey,
you would know.
the Galaxy gaskets.
You would know I'm a factory manual type of guy. When we get back to the house, we're going to show you guys the Galaxy gaskets, and we're going to do a test pipe run.
We're gonna test.
Long tube headers, cat back. $50 the best offer. I know these aren't headers, by the way. Don't tell me I'm fucking idiot.
What are they then?
These? These are gallery gaskets, bro.
Test pipes.
Test them out, and but overall, nice car. I didn't buy the car for it to be fully built. We're gonna do that.
It's gonna be a work in progress. So basically, we're gonna be HR swapping this car. It has a blown motor, and we're gonna be doing a full rundown on the channel. He got this car for $800. Clean title, manual, that's all that matters. LSD too. The pedals are LSD. They're the LSD pedals normally than the LSD ones, but it has cloth. It's a weird spec car. So we'll see when we do the motor, see if it's LSD. If it is, pretty good deal for the car. And yeah, so next step's gonna be getting a motor. We're gonna run you down on all the parts, and it's gonna basically be a step-by-step on what you need to do.
Oh shit. Yo, what's up, Cameron?
It's gonna be a step-by-step on how to HR swap a Maxima and how much it costs. I told you guys in this video here, Josh's video, that I can do it for relatively cheap. So this is gonna be me doing it for relatively cheap. So it's gonna be a step-by-step. This is gonna be part 1 of the series. And yo, what's around here, bro? Straight 7s.
So next step,
Bro, no, not even a 7, bro.
Next step,
listen, this is on the channel. I'm cooked. There is straight 3s over here, bro. I'm telling you, nigga, there ain't shit. There's no fine shits, no season screenings. Oh shit, that just says T, nigga. That's my camera, boy.
Test of T.
Usually
So like
when
that.
you go somewhere with a high population, the Huz scale will go up. In this case, this shit, my best prospect. My best prospect was a 45-year-old mother of 3.
Bro, listen, let me tell you something. I'm tatted up and shit. Like I'm trying to like look at the Huz. Ain't no game around here.
For your boy.
For my boy.
I have an 03 Maxima on the back of a trailer right now. I had no Huz coming up.
With a dually with
I have an 03 Maxima on the back of a trailer right now. I had no Huz coming up.
with a dually with what's
Oh man.
They don't give you nothing no more?
Push it, run him over.
Great. I'm good.
Yo, move, nigga. Go.
You'll start it. Bump some of that bit.
I gotta go move mine?
All right, guys, that's probably gonna wrap up this video. We unloaded the car.
All right, guys.
What's happening?
Have a great night. Have a good night.
We're gonna be picking up the motor.
Face up, man. Face up.
Bro, shut up, bro.
Face up, bro.
So Ross bought a Maxima. We'll see when he gets the motor, when he gets coils, when he gets.
He honestly has to see when the food stamps and WIC
Face up.
kicks in so he could afford the motor. So once those are processed, he'll be able to afford the baby mama Maxima. But we'll pick this up. See you guys in the next video.